now tell me, you like the discotheque is good here in Zoo? And what you like most? Many boys, many good music.
Very good music.
Very good music, and what more?
Good music.
And you like to play also, I see.
Yeah. She's a very good singer.
Very singer? Hey, come here. Tell us. Okay, sing something.
Okay, wait.
Okay. You know this song or not?
Yes. They don't sing in this song. Very nice place.
Where are you from? Holland, from what city?
I'm sports. No, I'm from the next.
That's okay. So tomorrow you come again here in Zoo?
Yeah.
Okay. But you are only 3 or you are a big group? You are more people?
Seven. They're on the toilet.
In
Like.
the toilet?
Oh, that's because of you too.
What they do? They pee together or what?
That are
They're together all the time. Okay. So thanks for the video. You watch it on Facebook, huh? We put it Zoo Disco. Zoo Disco. On Facebook, on YouTube, everywhere.
Zoo means like animal garden.
Animal.
I know.
No, this
So when I
is
say to my parents I go to the zoo,
this
they're
is
like, "Woo,
for
you have a monkey."
party
I'm like,
animals.
"Yeah,
It's not for animals. It's for
Not
party
for
animals.
Uh-huh,
Party animals. It's good. Okay. Danke well for the video, and I put you on YouTube and on Facebook. Okay.
Okay.
Please give us share and I like and whatever. Danke well. Do it.